Namaste, dear students. Hope you are healthy and happy at your home and doing your work on time. Today, we are going to continue our block Kinds of Animals. So, today we will do S4 Animals without Backbone. So today's aim is that you will be able to describe differences between vertebrates and invertebrates. Today's keywords are vertebrates, invertebrates, skeleton, dissect, backbone. So for the action purpose, I have given you three pictures. Please look at these pictures carefully and then answers my questions. So dear students, what do you think that cockroach, earthworm and crab, do they have feather? Do they feed milk to their babies? Or do they live underwater? Or what do you think that they have scales on their body? Do they have backbone? So let's think over it and try to answer one by one. Dear students, on the basis of different characteristics, we have divided animals into different categories like birds, mammals, fishes, amphibians and reptiles in our last class. Today I want to tell you that these animals have a backbone and the animals who have backbones are called as vertebrates. So dear students, now open your S2 and look at the picture of animals given before question number 1 and try to figure out that cockroach, earthworm and crabs are not vertebrates. Okay, then these animals which do not have a backbone are called as invertebrates. Now there is some analysis time and let's try to think that where is the backbone in invertebrate? Do you think that they have backbone? Okay dear students, we have talked up lots about backbone. But what is backbone? How does it help animals? What are the other differences do vertebrate and invertebrates have? These are some questions that you have to think over it. Dear students, you can see here the images of backbone in different animals. So basically, backbone is the central pillar of the body. It supports the body and many muscles are attached to it. Now, after thinking lots of things, what do you think that a spider is? A spider is a vertebrate or invertebrate? Think over it. Now, after thinking, you have to do S4 in your skill book, that is on the page number 32. Dear students, if you don't have skill book, do it in your notebook. After completing your work, share the picture with me. So the question number 1 is, can you find the backbone of invertebrate? See the pictures and try to think. Apart from a backbone, what are the other differences between vertebrates and invertebrates? I think vertebrates are larger in size, whereas invertebrates are smaller in size. What do you think? Question number 3 says, is a mosquito a vertebrate or an invertebrate? What do you think? Mosquito has a backbone? Think over it and try to answer it. Thank you dear students. Have a nice day.